Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear suggested skills for your students in case you want to start over and suggest some new ones. And then I'm also going to show you how to pin the Virginia SOL skill plans so that way when you look at your data under the Scores tab, it's aligned to those Virginia SOLs. So first off, let's talk about getting rid of those suggested skills and starting fresh. When you log on to IXL, you should log on to your dashboard. In case it doesn't automatically get there, just click on the Analytics tab and then click over to Dashboard, and then scroll down to where it says Suggested to your students. Once there, you can click Show All to see all of the skills that you have already suggested or recommended to your students. In the top right-hand corner, you'll see a little gray writing that says Clear All Suggested Skills. You're going to want to click that to clear all the skills that you've suggested to your students either individually or as a group or class. But say you have a student who comes up to you and then says, Mr. Merck, I still have some skills recommended to me. You can double check to see who recommended those skills by going into that student's learning and then into their recommendations tab. And then once they have their suggestions over here, you can click on those. And then again, that's going to show you all of the skills that are recommended to that student. Hover over the star on the left-hand side to see who recommended that skill to that student. Then you can know, as the teacher, to ask whoever assigned that skill, if you want to clear it, you can go ask that teacher to please clear that skill so that way it's not on that student's IXL any longer. Again, when you're in the student side, when you want to just double check, you go to Learning, Recommendations, and then click their suggested skills and see who assigned it. And on the teacher side, you're going to go under in your dashboard, you're going to go under the Suggested to Your Students tab and clear all suggested skills. Now, let's make sure our data is aligned to the Virginia SOLs by looking at our score grid. But first, we want to make sure we have our SOL skill plans pinned. So go under the Learning tab and click Skill Plans. So from there, you're going to see any skill plans you already have pinned, you're going to see at the top of that page. Now again, we suggest that you pin your grade level as well as the grade level underneath to just make sure we're covering our bases. So again, if you don't have those Virginia SOL skill plans pinned, just scroll down to where it says Virginia State Standards, hover over the flag, and you'll know you have it pinned when you go hover over your grade level and click the little push pin and it stays yellow. So again, you want to click your grade level as well as the grade level underneath so that way you can pin those SOLs. So again, if you're a fourth grade teacher, you're going to want to make sure you have fourth grade pinned as well as third grade. So where to look at that data, under Analytics, you go to Scores and Score Grid. And then right here where it says Standards and Skill Plans, you're going to want to click Skill Plans. And then that way you can look at the skill plans and you can see the skills that are aligned to the Virginia SOLs. Thank you so much, and I hope this video helped you guys out a lot.